What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. If you're stopping by the channel for the first time, please consider subscribing to my channel. And while you're at it, smash that like button. I really would appreciate it. Also, hit that post notification bell so that you're notified every time I upload a new video. Today, guys, we're going to discuss a new company that I believe could give me the opportunity to go higher with my net worth. Now, this is not a brand new company. This company has been around for a minute, but I just really uncovered this company and thought that maybe they have a chance to boost up my net worth. So maybe I should deep dive and do a little more research on it and make a decision if I want to go long in this company. And that company is Lyft. Now, I know a lot of you have heard of Uber. Lyft is a competitor of Uber. But let's find out a little bit more about this company. Then we're going to take a look at the financials, and then we're going to look at the 12-month price target for the stock. Lyft is an American transportation network company that operates a ride-sharing platform, primarily functioning as a competitor to Uber in the United States. Users request rides via a smartphone app, which then matches them with nearby drivers to provide on-demand transportation services for a fee, with a percentage of the cost going to Lyft and the majority to the driver. How does it work? A user requests a ride through the Lyft app on their smartphone. The app finds and connects the user with a nearby driver. The user can view a photo of the driver of the car and the estimated time of arrival. The driver picks up the user and takes them to their destination. The cost is determined by factors like a base charge, cost per mile, and cost per minute, and is paid through the app. That is Lyft, man. I've never used Lyft. I've only used Uber. But guess what? I'm going to start using Lyft so that I can decide if this is a company that I want to put some money in and grow my net worth over time. Let's do a little bit of deep dive on the financials. Current price of the stock today is $21.90. Let's look at the 52-week high, which is $53.50. 52-week low is $9.66. Let's look at some quarterly financials. Now, we're going to be looking at the June 2025 quarterly financials. Revenue, $1.59 billion. That is a 10.61% year-over-year increase in revenue. That's a green check mark. Income, $40.31 million. That's a year-over-year growth of 704.03%. That's another green check mark. Not only do they got good solid revenue in the quarter, but they also got good solid net income. Diluted EPS, or earnings per share, 1 penny, which is a 900% increase year over year. I'll take it. And then net profit margin, 2.54%, which is a 625.71% year over year increase. So the financials look pretty solid. Looks like revenue's growing. Looks like net profit is coming along. Positive EPS. And then obviously your net profit margin is starting to pick up. I love that every one of those categories year over year is doing much better. That gives me hope that I may be able to, get in on this thing before it really takes off. Now, that's my opinion. I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm just sharing with you guys a stock that I'm looking at for my portfolio that I believe could increase my net worth. That doesn't mean it will happen. For you folks out there who are not comfortable with making your own financial decisions, go talk with your licensed financial advisor. For those of you that are comfortable making your own financial decisions, make sure you go out and do your own independent research on this company and you come up with your own independent decision, whether it's right for you or not. Now let's look at the stock forecast. This is important to me. The average 12-month price target for Lyft is around $19.02 with a consensus rating of buy from 32 analysts. That's important to me. I want to see analysts backing this thing and giving it a buy recommendation. Though ratings vary with highs of $30 a share and lows of $14 a share, according to MarketBeat and Benzinga, I'm comfortable with where this company is sitting right now at $21 a share. Let's go take a look at Uber. Let's see what Uber is doing, because that's going to be your real direct competition at this point. So let's see what Uber is doing right now. That may give me some indication of what I can look forward to. Right now, Uber is doing $95.52 a share. Now, Uber's market cap is $199 billion. Let's look at Lyft's market cap, $8.86 billion. So Uber is much bigger than Lyft. Therefore, I like that. I like that Lyft is an $8 billion company. Uber is almost a $200 billion company. So Lyft, if it can continue to gain some market share, has a big upside, guys. I like that. So for me, continue deep diving in this thing and make sure it's right for me. And then I'm going to go ahead and buy it and put it in the long-term portfolio. Again, I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. This is just me sharing with you a company that I ran across that I've never used, but I'm planning on using. And then I'm also planning on making a decision on a long-term investment in this company. Drop me some comments down in the comment box and let me know what you think about Lyft. Do you think it can take market share from Uber, its main competitor? I believe it can. I believe there's some runway for this company. So I love the numbers. The numbers look great, and it gives me an opportunity to get in now. And potentially, if they can grab market share from Uber, might be a nice little investment for me down the road. If you're stopping by the channel for the first time, please consider subscribing, share the video, smash the like button. Thoughts become things. If you can see it in your mind, you can hold it in your hands. You guys keep chasing your greatness. Never stop believing in yourself. Stay healthy, get wealthy, and I'll catch you on the next video. Peace. Moomoo is going to give you some NVIDIA stock when you open up a new Moomoo brokerage account and make a deposit. All you got to do is get down to the first link in the description box. That's the Moomoo brokerage link. Click on it and get all the details on how you can get some NVIDIA stock. Don't delay, act today. Second link down in the description box is the Wealth Builders Financial Community on Patreon. Guys, all we do in that community is help each other build wealth, get to financial freedom and passive income. If you want to be a part of our team, all you got to do is click on that second link. It'll take you over to Patreon, and then come sign up for the fastest growing financial community on Patreon. We'll call the Wealth Builders.